Today, I'll show you how to easily share the LM Studio API online while still running everything locally on your machine. Download LM Studio. First, open your browser and simply search for LM Studio. Click the official website and download LM Studio for your operating system. I am downloading for macOS. The download is complete and the app is copying into the Mac Applications folder. It will take a few minutes. Open LM Studio application. Step 1. Download LLM model. Inside LM Studio, click Discover. You'll see a list of LLM models like Qwen 2.7, DeepSeek, Mistral, etc. I am downloading Qwen 2. Click Use in New Chat. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it is working perfectly. Step 2. Enable LLM Model API. Go to the Developer tab. Click the toggle and switch the status from stop to running to activate the server. Copy the C URL. Test API endpoint. Open Postman. Open new tab. Paste the C URL link. Next, open parameters, and from there, choose body, so we can send the request data. Now, I'm asking a simple question. Write a Hello World program in Python. Then click Send. It is working perfectly. The LLM model is running on port 1234. Last step, set up Pinggy tunnel. Now I'm opening the terminal. Pasting the command. Changing the port from 8000 to 1234 and running it. It will instantly generate the public URL like this. Let's test it. Open Postman and paste the Pinggy link. Change the method to post. Now, copy the body section. Change the body type to RAW and set the data format to JSON. Paste the content here. Next, copy v1/chat/completions and add it to the end of your Pinggy link. Now, click Send. Great, it is working. You'll see an instant response with the terminal confirming the method ran. Now copy this link, paste it here, and click Enter Site. The LM Studio API is now shared online, while everything remains completely local, simple, secure, and fully under your control. Thanks for watching.